So at present moment in time, the valve from the tank itself is there. Now that at the moment is turned off, so if we open that up, we'll see that water's going to spill out of that valve there. So when you open that up, that valve needs to be closed off, and also that valve at the moment is open. So what you do is close that valve, so the tipper can then use its sweeper system at the front and the jets. The jetting system then would spray out the spray boom, work absolutely fine. So taps open, so the water to the actual pump itself is flowing. That valve at that side is closed, so water can't come out, so water's going directly into the pump, and that is closed off. When we come to finish off, what needs to happen is, it's not being used for frosty weather. Close that valve, open that valve, and you'll see no water starts to come out until the system itself, and now it's starting to trickle out to this valve here. It's starting to run out, so that pump there has got no water inside the pump, it's protected fully. So that will be left like that until we come to use a spray boom every time. So valve closed. When we finish, that valve straight, that arm there straight across so that it's open. That one also straight in line, so it's open as well. Now what we're going to do is fetch a quick release point for this system, so that can be opened up to a point, and also the other part that's coming off here, fetching a T-piece to somewhere around to this point, so we can then have high pressure hose connected up with a ball valve on there and use it. And also that other one though, that needs to be kept low, so it's got to come out lower down than the pump, so we've got to branch it round and probably come down below and come out lower down in the system at the bottom somewhere. It's not going to interfere with anything. Job done.